Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your Discord theme. Like currently my one is in like this gray theme, but what if you want to make it like darker, like on the display mode? So go to your profile page and you are going to select appearance, and currently I have the dark mode on. But what if, for instance, I want to make it darker? You're going to tap on the dark mode 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as you can see, now I'm in the Amoled mode, and now my Discord theme is darker than usual. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!